Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add wholesale pricing on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is simply head over to this section to your I'm gonna tell you in products. So then you need to select product that you want to add wholesale price for. Let's just say this mouse. Let me just change its image. Alright, this looks good. Then let me remove this one. Let's just go back. Just wait. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one. Or this seems good. Now what you need to do is simply scroll down. You can see we have pricing and we have compare price. So this is the section from where you can set the wholesale pricing, and it is gonna be cutting this price and showing a sale symbol down there and in displaying this price. That's how you can add wholesale pricing on Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.